Let's look at how you can selectively promote components of your DataStage solution to downstream testing and production environments. This example suits organizations who wish to deploy DataStage binary assets to downstream environments, such as QA and prod, so they are available for execution without requiring recompilation. You start with a set of DataStage projects used to store your jobs at various stages of their lifecycle, along with the Git repository containing a set of branches used to mirror those lifecycle stages. You make changes in your dev project and commit the design assets to Git using Metal CI Workbench. Your build system deploys those design assets to your dev CI project, where they are compiled and tested. Once testing passes, the compiled binary assets are exported from your dev CI project and automatically committed to a CI branch where they are tagged. Next, you'll use a local clone of the repository to perform a manual selective promotion of binary assets from the CI branch to, in this example, a QA branch using the Metal CI CLI. This promotion can optionally include both DataStage and non-DataStage assets, or assets not automatically identified by Metal CI's incremental deployment. This commit in the CI branch triggers an automatic deployment pipeline, which uses Metal CI commands to deploy your binary assets to the QA project. The promoted commit is then tagged in the QA branch in Git. After QA testing has completed satisfactorily, you can then use the same technique to perform a selective promotion of your binary assets from the QA branch to the prod branch. This commit to the prod branch triggers a deployment pipeline to deploy your binary assets to the prod RC release candidate project. The commit to the prod branch is then tagged with an RC tag. After final pre-production QA checks, you can select your preferred release candidate and manually trigger a Metal CI-enabled deployment of your prod branch's binary assets to the DataStage prod project at your discretion. This deployment process tags the deployed commit with a prod tag. Your repository now has a set of tags describing, for each branch, the testing and promotions applied to each version of your codebase. Please visit docs.metalci.io for more details.